as they say, timing is everything. AAA estimates more than 55 million people are traveling this Thanksgiving weekend. That's close to a record high. Most are driving, but the airlines are also seeing more travelers. And this year, they're finding planes and airports are packed. LeBeau has more from Chicago's O'Hare Airport.
The long lines at Chicago's O'Hare Airport say it all. The Thanksgiving travel rush is here, with many hoping to hit the road before storms snarl flights and traffic across the country.
I'm a little worried. My dad sent me a text saying to look out for the weather reports, but I haven't heard anything from the airline.
We're headed to Philadelphia, and I think we managed to escape the majority of the weather, hopefully.
Once we get out of Chicago, I don't expect anything too bad. When we get back next Wednesday, hey, it's Chicago, northern Indiana, who knows what the weather is going to be.
This year, thanks to a strong economy, more Americans are taking off, and the planes will be a little more crowded, in part because there are fewer seats than the industry once expected. That's because Southwest, United, and American are unable to fly more than 70 Boeing 737 MAXs they originally had on their Thanksgiving schedules. While there are fewer seats than planned, the average domestic airfare remains close to its lowest price in years.
We don't see any marginal impact on fares, and in fact, the continued affordability we absolutely see as one of the ingredients of the record numbers this season.
With more people traveling, more airports like New York's LaGuardia are seeing the benefits of bigger, redesigned terminals. Even older airports like O'Hare are finding new ways to move travelers through the terminal quickly, with clear, pre-screened passenger ID stations opening in time for the holiday.
I think this really helps the customer be able to get to the front of the line. For us, congestion in our lobby and our security checkpoints are really at a minimum.
With storms across the country, especially in the upper Midwest and Northeast, this has not been the quiet start to the Thanksgiving weekend that airlines were hoping for. And that's important, because the more cancellations they experience, the more passengers they'll have to rebook, and the more that will weigh on their bottom line in the fourth quarter. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.